In the digital era, cloud computing is transforming how industries operate, driving innovation and sustainability. It's at the heart of Industry 4.0 and a key enabler of the circular economy. Cloud computing provides on-demand access to computing power, data storage, and applications over the internet. By centralizing resources and enabling real-time collaboration, the cloud supports the efficient use of materials, energy, and information. In the circular economy, cloud computing optimizes resource use. By analyzing real-time data from IoT devices and production systems, the cloud identifies inefficiencies, minimizes waste, and extends the life of assets. Smart grids rely on cloud computing to manage and distribute renewable energy efficiently. The cloud enables real-time monitoring, ensuring energy flows are optimized and waste is minimized in circular energy systems. Cloud platforms enable circular supply chains by providing end-to-end visibility of materials. From tracking products to automating logistics, the cloud ensures resources are reused and recycled efficiently. Modern data centers, the backbone of cloud computing, are increasingly powered by renewable energy. Innovations in cooling systems and energy management ensure that the cloud operates sustainably, reducing its environmental footprint. The cloud fosters global collaboration, allowing businesses and innovators to share data and insights instantly. This accelerates the development of circular solutions and promotes sustainable practices across industries. AI-powered cloud computing takes circular systems to the next level. By analyzing vast amounts of data, the cloud predicts inefficiencies, enhances recycling efforts, and ensures sustainable resource use. The cloud's security and scalability are essential for circular systems. Encrypted data and real-time monitoring ensure safety, while scalable infrastructure supports the expanding demands of a global circular economy. Cloud computing isn't just technology. It's the foundation of a connected, sustainable future. By enabling the circular economy, the cloud empowers industries to innovate, collaborate, and thrive. Discover how cloud computing can transform your operations and drive sustainability. Visit Solveforce today to explore cloud solutions for the circular economy. Visit solveforce.com to learn more about cloud computing and circular economy solutions for Industry 4.0.